Welcome, kiddos, to the Fantastic Fun Factory. Get ready for a whirlwind of wonder, laughter, and learning. As we dive into today's adventure, we're exploring the magical world of shapes. That's right, boys and girls. We're going to learn all about circles, squares, triangles, and more. Let's start with everyone's favorite shape, the circle. Did you know that circles are all around us? From the sun in the sky to the wheels on your bike, circles make the world go round. Now, let's move on to squares. Squares have 4 equal sides and 4 right angles, just like the picture frames on your wall or the windows in your house. Next up, triangles. Triangles are super cool because they have 3 sides and 3 angles. You can find triangles in all sorts of things, like slices of pizza and the sails on a sailboat. Let's not forget about rectangles. Rectangles are like stretched out squares with 2 long sides and 2 short sides. They're perfect for making yummy chocolate bars and building blocks for towers. Learning about shapes is as easy as pie. So, the next time you're out and about, keep an eye out for circles, squares, triangles, and rectangles. You'll be amazed at how many you can find. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep having fun.